Now quick connectors, there are quite a range of quick connectors out there. From the cheap plastic ones you can get any 50p pound shop to slightly more expensive plastic ones. For the top of the range brass ones, we would always go for the top of the range brass ones. They are a little bit more expensive but well worth it. The fittings fit in snugly, strongly and securely. You can drag these around the nursery, around the gardens, and they won't damage, they won't break. The connection are raw steel boards in there, push back, it's a solid connection. Should you keep the hose and pipes that long that the rubber seals perish, you can get fresh seals, reseal it, and it's set to go for another good few seasons.